Sonic is back. This is the baddest street car. Hoping to make, we're gonna make 1,000.
Like 18. Tell everybody you make 800 minus 1,000.
Big turbo. Should we tell them what size turbo's on here? Yeah.
Big ass turbo.
Get excited, boys. I need you guys to share this video, like the video, leave a comment. The most insane all-wheel drive video is about to happen right now. We're about to tune a long time coming my all-wheel drive K-Series car that we've been building for 5 years plus. It's great to see the car all together. Promise you guys that I'm gonna give you guys the introduction on this car on the dyno. But before I get the dyno started, I want you guys to know, we put this car together, I think like 2017, 2018. I didn't have YouTube back then. I couldn't build the car on the channel. This is basically the finished product. Car's on a dyno, car's ready to go. I'm gonna try to stop the car today at 1,000 wheel. That way I can test the car, make sure everything's good with it. It's a brand new car, full brand new build. I don't want to make more than 1,000. I'm actually going to turn it down. Honestly, I want 800 horse. That way I can make sure everything works. Drivetrain's good, motor's good, trans good, everything works as it should. And then I'll turn it up after so I get a feel for it. Setup on the car has a K24 in it, sequential, all the bells and whistles. We're trying to make 1,000 here today. I'm going to turn it up later on in the summertime. That's the goal here. You guys excited?
Just tell the people, be honest. They're scared. You don't want more than 1,000.
Bro, 1,000 is not enough.
I don't even know who you are anymore. You kind of fell off a little bit.
1,000 is not enough.
I want a GoPro mounted in the car for the first pass.
On his face though.
On your face.
In the helmet.
So initially when I put this car together, I had back seats in here, I had the cargo cover, like all that stuff still fits in here. He took it out. I wanted to put like a car seat, so I got 2 seats. I got 2 Kirky seats in here. I had back seats, cargo cover, literally the whole 9. And you took it out.
Me and Kev took it for the first drive today. We drove it next door to the car wash.
So here's the setup. I'm gonna kind of just go through it. Has a Kinsler intake manifold, Ross throttle body, K24, fully built, aluminum rod motor. I have everything up front, fuel cell, radiator. If you guys are wondering what that is, that's basically the intercooler. That's an air to water setup. The lines go straight to the back to the ice tank and big turbo. Should we tell them what size turbo's on here? Yeah.
Big ass turbo.
We got a 7685. This is just a temporary turbo for the dyno. I had the turbo. This is actually Speed Factory Racing's old Outlaw turbo from their car when they were front wheel drive. So this is their old turbo that I got up here. But overall, this thing's looking good on a Fueltech FT600. Drive shaft axles, drive shaft shop, drive shaft, truss fab rear end, viscous, the whole 9. I have a 50 weight viscous in here right now, but we're gonna play with the car when we get it out. I'll show you guys the inside.
You know what the best part is? This car is uncut. Still has all the factory plastics on the inside of it, so somewhat of a street car.
Where's your Red Bull, bro? You had your Red Bull in the ice tank. It's in there?
It feels cold.
So I put the parachute back on here. I know it didn't look like that last time. A few parts are still out getting powder coated. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber wing, full steel doors. Just got carbon fiber door cards. But the interior, we did it all in a rafter liner like 4 years ago. Everything is nice and clean. Ultra carbon roof. I got my belts redone. Cage. So this car set up for a 25.5. That's why the floorboard cage is like that. It's basically a 10 point right now. I don't know how fast we're gonna go yet, but overall looks really good. Carbon fiber dash, fuse panel. This thing looks like a show car, but it's a race car. My plan with this car is drive it on the street and drive it at the track. I'm not trying to break any records with it at the track. Mainly a street car. You know, that's why I put this out on the front.
With a chute. That's my favorite part. Street car with a chute.
You know why it's a street car? You got 2 seats in the car. You got side view mirrors. All the lights work.
Tail lights work.
Yeah, tail lights work. But where's the wiper blades?
What the fuck needs wiper blades?
This is the baddest street car you're ever gonna see. But one more walk around. If anybody got any questions, drop it in the comments. What do you guys think we're gonna make for horsepower? Honestly, I want Jamie to stop at 1,000. I don't know if he's gonna.
Honestly, this dyno can't handle more than this thing is spinning the dyno.
But you guys, let me know what you guys think of the car overall. Like, I'll give you guys one more walk around. Like I said, this car was built back 2018. Blue hatch number 1, blue hatch number 2, blue hatch number 3, and then we're missing the all motor car.
Yeah, look. The best part.
What?
On the power
Oh.
On the what?
Power up. You didn't see it yet.
On the power up?
Yeah.
Follow my boy. He'll take
What are you talking about?
I want you to get in the car.
It's all about the details.
Yeah, I want you to get in the car.
On the power up?
Yeah,
all about details.
just get in the car.
Like start the car?
No, just key on.
Just power up.
Just key on?
Yeah.
No. No, that gotta be on your dash.
We gotta change the plate. I think we need to put that one on this car.
Nah, I don't want that. You can put my face on there or something. Put something else. I'm not the glizzy god.
If we put your face on there.
Oh, that's it. Did that say glizzy gang?
Gang is only 2.
We the gang, baby. We are all the gang.
Who said?
It
Who
should
said?
just be
Glizzy gang. All 4 of us right here.
I'm not
Glizzy
part of this.
Bros.
I'm not. No, I'm not part of this gang.
What?
What are you talking about? You my brother. What you saying?
Ain't nobody giving me.
Yo. Who said race cars can't be clean though?
This thing is clean. Check out the floor, bro. Even got a little like it's like a little floor mat for me right there. You know.
Peep the carbon, baby.
This is real right here. Real carbon fiber. Shit, swing out. Real street car.
This car is clean.
Jared, out of all 4 of the cars, which one's your favorite?
Can I tell you which one is my least favorite?
Man. Which one is, well, you tell me which one's your
Let's let
favorite.
everybody guess. How about that? What do you think is my favorite and my least favorite?
Your favorite is the all-motor car.
And your least favorite is that car right there, the street car.
No, this one.
This one.
This one.
This one trumps all now.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have-
times 100.
To take the motor or the transmission out, the whole swap got to come out.
All right, so you guys on YouTube, comment which one's your favorite. So we have front wheel drive B series. We have all wheel drive B series.
Did they see the all-motor car? Or have they seen it run?
No, we haven't really vlogged with that. We started YouTube last year. So we have the all motor car, we have the front wheel drive B series, all wheel drive B series, and the K all wheel drive.
You know which one's my favorite? That one right there.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna go.
Because we had it since high school, and that's the first car we built in the backyard.
So for me, it's gonna be my front wheel drive car is number 1, and then my least favorite is gonna be this because how hard.
So since we both on the same page, we just get rid of it. Please.
I only say that because I haven't driven the car, and you can't say that either. You haven't even seen the car
That's
perform.
my first favorite. This is my second favorite. This one right here.
Nah, that B series, that's number 2 on my list. So B series for me is number 1 and 2. I know we always talk about shit about B series, but
K's the way, all this
K
other
is the
stuff.
way.
Preaching on YouTube.
But bro,
Look at you.
But bro, number 1, number 2, then the all motor car, and then this.
The all-motor car, I got a soft spot for the all-motor car too, because
Me too, because the all motor car is the first all motor car to go 8.
And
that-
we built it in the house garage while running 8s.
That's true.
that, and then me and you went to a lot of IFOs. I think before you started.
Oh, that's iPhone King right there.
That car too, the all-motor car. We got a bunch of all-motor street trophies.
Yeah, FIP King right there. Don't tell me you recorded the whole thing just at our feet.
The camera's
I don't know.
You see the camera. You got
all
it. My
good.
brother.
I'm looking at you guys, not the camera.
I was like, yo, what is he doing? The video footage is good. I looked at it. Might be a little hair down. My brother's sleeping today. But today's plan, we are gonna tune this car, hoping to make. We're gonna make 1,000.
Like 18. Just be honest.
You trying to
You
change
need me
this?
to drive your car?
You said 1,800?
No, I don't even.
What you talking about?
Could probably make
This
this.
car got the best of the best of everything.
I'm
And
trying
we
to
got the
raise.
best tuner.
I'm trying to raise people to come out making 1,800, make 300 horsepower with
Tell
this.
everybody you make 800 minus 1,000. Simple math, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, my boy. Just in time.
Yeah.
Just in time, baby.
Yo, what you guys say to the vlog?
Yo, listen, man. I used to be a B series guy, but now I'm a K series guy, and I feel like this car is gonna definitely set some records that people never seen before.
Barry, talk that shit, bro. Give me old school Barry.
Yo, Bar, you gotta talk that shit to this dude.
We're gonna ruin the streets. We're gonna own the streets. I promise y'all. It's over. It's over. Sonic is back.
We are back to hit the street.
He told
You getting up.
Oh, why?
Wait. Is it true that you told Jamie to stop at 1,000?
Yeah. Why? Oh, wow. Oh, Brandon.
Yo, how'd you hear that?
How'd you even hear that?
You weren't even here for the convo.
Birds are chirping.
Oh, are they?
So you're not gonna let them
Oh,
hang?
so
I think we let him hang with 1,000 right now. We're gonna test the car out. No, 1,000 ain't enough.
1,000 ain't enough, bro. 1,200.
Yo, you've been hanging around too many kitties, yo. I don't know what happened to them, bro.
I want a brand new car. I want to do some burnouts. I want to test the car at 1,000 and everything's good. I'll turn it up.
I say 1,200 horsepower sounds legit for the dyno.
Bro, Osonic was sending it all right out the hole.
1,200 wheel.
1,200 wheel on this fucking dyno. To the wheels.
I don't even think I have enough people to stand on the car.
Don't worry, we got Cat here.
Damn!
He ain't lying. You did gain like 300 pounds over the summer.
Here you go.
All right, before I get this video started, I want to show you guys a few upgrades I did to the NSX. Let me know if you guys like them. Changed the wheels. Ended up doing 20s in the fronts with Michelin Pilot Sport tires and then 21-inch rears. Also wrapped the door handles in black. Tinted the back window because that wasn't done. And then the tail lights and the reflectors. And then powder coated the exhaust. There's like a cover around the exhaust, powder coated that. But let me know what you guys think. I took the stock wheels off. I like it, looks kind of murdered out. I have the side skirt extensions coming from Science to Speed. And then I bought some Art Asian, something like that. Some front lip for the car. So let me know what you guys think of the NSX. This is basically how it's gonna sit from now on. I kind of like it. All blacked out. I'll give you guys one more shot at it before I get back inside. Like I said, drop in the comments what you guys think. I love the factory wheels, but I think it looks so mean looking like this. I wonder, let me know if anybody makes, I want to get like yellow NSX stickers to put like over the NSX badge on the caliper. That would make it pop a little bit more. But overall, I'm happy with it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of the car. I think it looks good. But yeah, let's get on the dyno. Waiting for Jamie to get here. I'm super excited. It's been a long time coming. It's been like 5 years, honestly, with this car. Like on and off, building the car with new parts. Every year, something else comes out. I can't wait to see what it does. Nice and spicy. It's fucking dyno time. Unfortunately, we can't finish the dyno session. I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through of what happened. This motor's been sitting since, I wanna say 2017. We made one pull, but one pull was completely clean. And that's with the VTEC turned off. We kind of did like a few trials and errors on the dyno. One of the I'll let J-Rock explain it because he dealt with this before.
Basically, the rocker, in the rocker somewhere, one of the pins is actually sticking and it's keeping one cylinder in VTEC and it's causing it to actually misfire. So now we gotta disassemble and inspect, and I think we're actually gonna put a new set of rockers in, right?
Yeah.
Just to not deal with any headaches in the future with other cylinders and rockers and stuff.
This might be a sign.
My sign for what?
What did you want to do when you got this car?
This car has 3-lobe cams. I want to do single lobes, but it's just, I want to get the car finished. I'm just going to change the rockers out, keep it easy, and then put the car back on a dyno, it'll still make the power. So to keep this super simple for you guys, one of the rockers are basically messed up. Whenever you engage VTEC, it'll misfire. And then that way misfired also on D-cell a little bit. Thank God the motor's good. We're going to change the rockers out, put it back on a dyno. I wanted to share this with you guys, good and the bad. So there's going to be a second dyno video to this.
Honestly, it's part of the game. It's a new car, new build. You got to figure out all the bugs. So this just happens to be one of the bugs that we got to figure out. I think it'll be good after this.
Why couldn't that rocker just let loose? Like,
No.
None of these cars
Change
are.
that.
why couldn't the rocker just work? Like lubricate itself.
Maybe do a oil change, some mystery oil in there, and then put it back together. Should be all right.
All right, boys, long day here today. I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, this is the introduction to this car, even though it was not that great. That's it. I'll see you guys for part 2. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.